What you get by achieving your goal is not as important as what you become by achieving them. International School of Informatics and Management, popularly known as IIIM, has emerged as a globally responsive and socially conscious professional institute, where learning is a quintessential blend of innovation, creativity, moralistic growth, and future preparedness. Ranked amongst the top B schools of the country, the institute offers MCA, MBA, and MAM programs approved by AICTE and affiliated to Rajasthan Technical University. The PGDM program of IIIM is an autonomous program approved by AICTE. The institute has been recognized as a research center to offer PhD programs of the Rajasthan Technical University in computer application and management. The accolades achieved by the institution during the journey towards academic excellence include recognition among the top 50 B schools of the country by Business World Survey 2013. The institution is amongst the top 18 B schools of excellence according to CSR GHRDC Survey 2013 and is ranked A by the Business and Management Chronicle Survey 2013 and AMA Survey 2014. IIIM welcomes you all to its 10th Annual Technocultural Fest, Montage 2014. Montage is an exclusive variegation of multifarious activities that brings together the desiderate talents to compete on a multi-hued platform. It is a commixture of creative ideas, intellectual talent, and cultural flair of IT students across the country. As we commence on the exciting journey of Montage 2014, let's reminisce the events of the year gone by. Parichay, a week-long orientation program, is organized to acquaint the new batch of MCA with the values, ethics, and cultures of the institute. Various IT professionals are invited to inspire students and to provide them relevant knowledge of the IT industry. Talent Hunt provides a platform to the newbies to explore and exhibit their hidden talents. Abhinandan, the Freshers' Day, is organized where the seniors extend a heartfelt welcome to the new batch through various enthralling performances. The annual Management Fest, Mosaic, organized for budding managers, provides them a phenomenal platform to present various activities related to different facets of management and artistic talent. Teachers' Day is celebrated with great zest and zeal by students to express their gratitude and appreciate their teachers for their guidance, support, and nurturing. Time passes, memories fade, feelings change, people leave, but the heart never forgets. Udan, the farewell party, marks the final walk of the golden college days of the outgoing batch of MCA. A splendid farewell program is presented as a parting gift and to say sayonara with best wishes for their successful future. Dharohar, the alumni meet, is organized every year to create a bond between ex and current triplamites. It gives a chance to the ex-triplamites to cherish the sweet memories and precious moments of their college days. The students learn many intricacies of the technical world while discovering and building on their talents by participating and organizing varied activities. Technobuzz, the IT quiz, seminar presentation on big data, sports day, logo designing activity, storytelling activity, seminar presentations, software project presentation, and e-interaction on ethical hacking by Ankit Fadia were some of the events that saw enthusiastic participation from the students. Faculty development programs allow the faculty to enhance and upgrade their skills regularly. The FDPs held this year include a workshop on cloud computing, IBM Bluemix technology by IBM. Over 50 faculty members from different reputed institutes of the city participated and learned the theoretical and practical aspects of the upcoming cloud technology. 2-day workshop on SPSS, the predictive analysis software, a plan to sharpen scientific research skills of the faculty members. A training session on financial planning by Dr. Prasanna Chandra, visiting professor of finance at Southern Illinois University, USA. A workshop on research methodology was conducted by Dr. D.P.S. Verma, retired professor, Delhi School of Economics. A workshop on case study analysis and Indian perspective by Professor S. Venkatraman, IIM Lucknow. Regular interactions were conducted throughout the year between the faculty member and students to provide personalized guidance for their academic and technical skills. The institute hosted a 2-day international conference on working together to eradicate poverty and mitigate climate change in India, in collaboration with India Development Coalition of America. NCMIT 2014, the 2-day national conference on data analytics and business intelligence emerging paradigms, was organized by ISIM and FMSDIS University on 11th and 12th April 2014. The chief guest was Mr. Ratnesh Kashyap, Managing Director, SRSL International Private Limited. The conference witnessed an overwhelming response from over 150 researchers around the country and became a platform for exchanging ideas, thoughts, and research outcomes on the theme. ISIM is recognized as Center of Excellence by IBM Academic Initiative. As a part of continuous learning and subject add-ons, regular trainings and workshops are conducted on various softwares, tools, and products of IBM. Trainings held in 2013-14 include TGNC Worklight Workshop, IBM Bluemix Cloud Computing Workshop, and Relational Database DB2 9.0 Workshop. The Institute is proud to announce the launch of biannual newsletter Campus. Campus is a picture of ISIM and reflects on the ISIM campus life. It is a short publication that contains specific information about happenings, events, interests of the student, and their achievements. It serves to bond all together into a family unit and keeps all the stakeholders informed of all planned activities and functions. Imbibing the motto of NSS, not for me but you, various activities were organized by the Institute to develop a sense of social responsibility among the students like blood donation camp, self-defense workshop, tree plantation, PAN card registration and voter ID drive, helping hand a visit to NGO Naya Savera, and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan for creating awareness about and imbibing clean, healthy habits. National Entrepreneurship Network is an effort to provide a platform to the students to come out with innovative business ideas and management strategies. It helps the students to enhance their management skills and gain practical experience. E-Week was organized in which various activities like Bazaar on Campus, Treasure Hunt, Shout It Loud, Idea Generation, Opportunity Evaluation, 50 rupees exercise were held. As a part of industry academic interface, students had an opportunity to interact with renowned national and international personalities. Mr. Yashpal Soni, VP IT, Wires and Fabrics, Khaitan Group. Mr. Navneet Khandelwal, Head IT, Fortis Escorts Hospital. Ms. Meeta Mathur, Corporate Trainer, Edugram Academy. Mr. Amit Trivedi, Director, Virtual Infocom Private Limited. Mr. Anil Sharma, COO, Pratham Software. Mr. Arun Goyal, Director, Octal Info Solution Private Limited. Students have done well both in academics and other inter-institute activities. IIM is ranked among the top 50 participating institutes of the country in IBM TGMC 2014. Students participated and won prizes in various inter-institute competitions. Alumni interaction sessions are organized to enlighten the students about corporate working environment and cultures. Seniors who interacted in the alumni session are Ms. Mansi Chitkara, TCS Bangalore, Mr. Chirag Marwa, Tata CMC Limited Jaipur, Mr. Divyanshu Jain, Software Engineer, Ernst & Young Bangalore, Mr. Vishal Sharma, Infosys USA. Regular industrial visits are also organized for the students so as to understand the applicability of their theoretical knowledge to practical experience. This year, the students of ISIM were taken to Parle-G Manufacturing Unit Neemrana, Rajasthan and Anil Special Steel Industry, Kanakpura, Jaipur. Young technocrats of IIM last year have been placed in various renowned companies, namely Global Logics, A3 Logics Private Limited, Origa IT Solution Private Limited, Dainik Bhaskar, My FM 94.3, Minix IT Hub Private Limited, Components Portal Services Private Limited, and OnGraph Technologies. ISIM alumni are placed in almost all leading IT giants including Microsoft, IBM, TCS, Oracle, HCL, Wipro, Accenture, Infosys, NIC, NIIT, Zenstar, Syntel, and more such companies of the IT world. Montage is not just a two-day event. It requires a lot of hard work and dedication. No event is possible without drudgery, sincerity, and teamwork. Students of IIIM have been preparing for Montage for over a month. Be it planning of activities, formulation of strategies, division of duties and tasks, preparation of hall arrangements, and cultural events. The journey has begun, so let us now assemble the montage. The price of success is hard work, dedication, and the determination that whether we win or lose, we have applied the best of ourselves to the task at hand. All the best. Thank you.